Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and immediate connections. First, confirm whether your cooler uses a 3-pin ARG header or a 4-pin RGB header so you wire it correctly. Then mount the cooler and plug both the power and the RGB cable into the matching motherboard headers. Wrong orientation can fry LEDs. Once done, make sure the motherboard firmware and official RGB drivers are up to date so the software recognizes the new device and avoids conflicts. You now install and configure the RGB control software from your motherboard or cooler vendor. Open the app, then select the exact device so you don't accidentally control other peripherals. This defines zones and sync priority. Next, choose or customize an effect, tweak colors and brightness, and test transitions while monitoring temperatures. Aggressive effects generate small extra heat. Also create and save at least 2 profiles, one performance and one idle, so you can quickly switch depending on workload. You finish by testing persistence across reboots and in BIOS. Reboot and verify RGB behavior in the UEFI lighting page. If settings vanish, enable startup service for the RGB app. If LEDs fail to respond, check that the header supplies correct voltage, confirm connector pinout, and look for conflicting RGB software running simultaneously. As a last resort, reset firmware or move the cable to another header to isolate the issue. If hardware still fails, then contact the vendor for replacement or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.